Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create account on new Twitter called X. So let's start the video. First of all, open the app. If you don't already have the app, go to your device app store or Google store and download the X app from there. Then after opening, you will see this page here. One is continue with Google or another one is create account. If you want to continue with Google, then tap on the first option, otherwise tap on the second option. Here choose the language or you can skip, then add your name, email and date of birth. And then for verifying your information, an email will be sent to your Gmail account. Go there and you will be asked to verify your information with a code sent to your phone or email. Then enter the code to confirm your account. After that, create a strong password for your account. Then after signing up, finally you have created your X account. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.